So right now we're out in the water. We haven't decided where we're gonna go, but there's this place called SkyBeach. It's over here in St. Pete. They've been remodeling this place for a while. I saw some stuff on Facebook as far as just the different advertisements. I guess there's like 130 something boutique hotel rooms. There's a marina, there's a pool, there's a bar. They don't open up for another half hour or so, but thought we just gotta pull up and check it out. We might come back here and actually do a real video on this place. Have not been here before. It was called the Magnuson Hotel a long time ago. We walked up here because Kim's uncle had a condo over here at Skyway Lane. But we're gonna kind of check this out. Let me show it to you, and I'll put a link to the resort here. This could be a cool place if you're looking to come to the Tampa Bay area and you know you're gonna stay the night, maybe bring your boat. I'm not sure yet. We'll do maybe a full review. Leave me a comment, let me know if you guys want to see that. We normally don't stop over here, but I mean, oh, it's got Sky Bar. Let me show you. But they've been working on this place for a minute, redoing it. There's a little beach. There's the, oh, they got the little, whatever, what was that, tiki umbrella thing with the palm frond.
Interesting to see this place at this time, because we drive by it when we go to our dock to launch, and it's always just kind of been under construction, and it's like, what's happening here? This is a great spot. Is it ever going to be anything cool? However, they weren't doing anything with the property for a very long time. So there's lots of dockage here, huh? I'm in neutral. You got this?
Yeah, I got it.
All right. It's a professional right there.
Now let me get some line management going on here.
All right.
Line management, kind of tidy this up. Woo! Yeah, there's like nobody here. So we're gonna find out what the deal is here. What time does the bar open? 12 o'clock, okay. And we're cool to just be here and get some drinks and stuff?
There's a few, I think.
Okay. I see a fillet table. See that?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, fillet table over here. I'll have to get some beef.
There's the pool. Let's
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, this is pretty cool.
I mean, they're onto something. It's a pretty area.
It is really nice. Look at SkyBeach Hotel. Who's cooking?
I mean, this could be something. They need to do it right.
Yeah. Maybe they're doing it right. We're gonna go up in that top part, right?
Yeah. You want to sit at the bar or you want a table, babe?
Bar. Oh, they got live music, babe.
Live music?
5 to 9. Ooh, bottomless mimosa from 12 to 3. They sure they want to do that? Skyway Rum Runner serves as a double. Happy hour 4 to 8.
There's no shade.
All right, so we're just waiting. They're running a little bit behind right now.
I think it's going to be like a kind of a... Oh shoot, let's do it. Dirty Banana. And then he said the Miami Vice. Oh, that's probably your jam right there.
All right. Sorry, yeah. This is nice because we got all the fans blowing. Oh, True Phonic Live at SkyBeach.
Punk rock, I like that.
August 17th. That's tonight. June. A tap. Do you need a card to go?
Swipe it, I give it right back.
Hold that. decide to run out of here.
Umbrella.
Yeah. That's it.
Yeah, right back.
Yep. You want to start off with the river bite? You want to do something else?
Yeah, no, that's fine.
We'll start with the river bites. You get all that? Cheers.
Yeah.
You filming it?
How is it?
We got the grouper bites as an appetizer. They were pretty good, but a little salty for my taste, but Kim enjoyed them. Kim ordered the dirty banana and I ordered the Miami Vice. So after tasting her dirty banana, that sounds kind of funny, we both agreed that we would not order that again. It tasted like artificial banana flavor, something like some type of candy. The Miami Vice was good though. It was kind of like a pina colada.
I'm not gonna fall down. So we just paid out. What was really cool, they do tack on an 18% gratuity. Normally I'm not a fan about that, but when you go to pay out and you do your tip, it starts off at 2%, 5% or whatever, really low. So at least this way you're not tipping like 50% and all that. And the bartender even said something. So it was 18%. I went ahead and gave him an additional 7% on top of that. So I appreciate the honesty like that. So now we are leaving there. The music is not my favorite though. This is like, what is this, old people music or something? It was like easy listening, yeah, like old people, like Phil Collins, Michael Jackson.
That was pretty good. We might do a full review for you guys some point. It's a whole like little resort thing. The dockage and the boat lifts here, this is all new. This just used to be like a little hotel. So we will do a full review in the future. You can see the Skyway from here. It's just a great little place. Some of the rooms right here, these look cute. This room is not done. Nope. Oh, they're pretty tiny. It's like a little hotel room. There's a tiny fridge, a bed. It's hard to see, guys, but it's just a little room. Nothing special.
Cool. I'll have to come stay here sometime.
Yeah.
All right, so this place is really cool. This is new to us. We would definitely come back. The gratuity included, no big deal. The music, they need to improve that music because I want to feel like I'm on vacation here. But this is right next. This is in our own backyard. Definitely come here if you're coming to the Tampa Bay area. Check this out. They got hotels, hotel rooms. They look really nice. Everything's been renovated. Got 2 pools. Drinks were good. The food was good. We'll try some more. So now we gotta get out of here because we gotta do what we're supposed to be doing, and that's get out there to either Fort DeSoto or Shell Key. So we're gonna get going.
See you later.
See you later.